This kind of success is never taught in schools. Some victories don't make noise, yet they echo in hearts long after we are gone. In a world obsessed with money, status, and applause, people often confuse success with noise. They chase wealth, celebrate wins, and collect trophies, believing these things will make them unforgettable. But true greatness is rarely loud. It moves quietly, touching lives without asking for recognition. There once lived a person who never chased riches or fame. He lived simply, spoke gently, and carried a heart full of compassion. He noticed the ones everyone else ignored. He listened when others rushed past. To the world, he looked ordinary, but to those he helped, he felt extraordinary. He didn't own luxury cars or shining mansions. Yet wherever he went, he left something priceless behind. The poor felt respected. The broken felt understood. The hopeless felt a little stronger. He knew something many never learn. That dignity is the greatest gift one human can give another.